Firstly, just PNG is a country that is a bit diverse, and over time we experience crises in many forms right across the country. One of the things that would always happen to us is the timely mobilization of the resources that we have available at the national department, and then the collaboration of the effort from our agencies that we have who are responsible for certain part of the country and the type of the crisis we have and how we respond to it. It's a bit of challenge that we have over time. Most important thing to me about this workshop is how they will help us to harmonize the available information and the data that we have especially in our context back in the country. So what I'm taking over now is the support and the need for us as a country to start understanding those information and the evidence we have so that we can plan for better in terms of the discussion around resilience. Currently, we have what we call the EERRP, which is an Emergency and Education Response Rapid Plan that emanated or emerged after the pandemic, and that brought about many interventions that we have. We have never been so cautious about the impact of crisis, but what we have seen now is after that, we as a ministry have become very strategic and say, okay, look, now we have learned from the pandemic now, so how do we move forward, going forward from here? And the discussions on that has been floating around our respective individuals, their respective divisions back at the ministry, and also we are trying to now talk about how we're going to move forward with this. And then came the opportunity, which now we came over here. And what we have discussed over the few days, some of the very strategic approaches on how we are going to address resilience back in our school, and there's a lot of take back here.